Hello folks, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the brand new Avenger 29QBS available now at Campkins. This is a 2020, just fresh off the lot, so check out the new Avenger. You can see here you've got your large extension electric awning with LED lights, nice stable steps from Lippert on there. You've got this great outdoor kitchen here. You got a dog tie and some gas connections for a barbecue. We'll open this up here real quick. You can see in your outdoor kitchen, you've got your stove top, lots of countertop space, and then your nice cube fridge. Let's head on inside and have a look. So you can see here, you are greeted with a beautiful seamless countertop, stainless steel farmhouse sink, beautiful black accents. The handles and the sink and everything are nice flat black, beautiful glass top black stove with a great backsplash. Look at the stainless steel appliances, glass accents, nice and bright in here as well. Good drawers for storage. 10.5 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, so you can store all of those treats for the kids. Look at the size of these doors. Let me open one here for you. Check this out. Check how deep that pantry is. And you've got that twice, so it's got lots and lots of storage for everything that you need. Ducted air through the ceiling, ducted heat through the floor. You've got a nice large TV with speakers below in the entertainment area, and then you've got your fireplace, which will also give you heat as well as keep you warm. We're gonna head inside the washroom here. So inside the washroom, you can see you got your vanity and your sink. Nice glass shower surround there. More space, a nice linen closet in the washroom as well. So lots of room for everything in the washroom. You've got gas, electric, hot water on this, so if you're parking it, you can just use electricity. You can see here you've got storage all around the bed. Plugs on both sides of the bed. Full-size queen bed in here. Windows on both sides of the beds that do open, as well as a vent. Great spot for a TV, and of course air conditioning ducted into the bedroom. You can see here on the other side, you've got your nice comfortable sofa with USB chargers in the cup holders and a storage drawer underneath. You've got a U-shaped dinette, 84 inches long, so you can seat everybody around there. Nice large windows with blackout shades on them. Look at this nice barn door access into the bunk room as well, with a huge deep cabinet so you can store all the kids' clothes in one spot. You've got a nice spot to plug in a TV there, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bunk beds, so all the kids can stay in there in their own room and watch TV on a rainy day. Beautiful, beautiful trailer. So this is a brand new floor plan from Avenger. This is the 2020 Avenger 29QBS, available now at Campkins. We got one of the first ones, and we want you to come on out and check it out. So we're in Myrtle, Ontario on Highway 12, just north of Whitby. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, so come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.